Anyone that has taken an idea and brought it to the marketplace knows the process is complex and filled with many steps that must be mastered to reach success. Widely used in the industry, Autodesk Fusion integrates design, machining, additive, and nesting into one cloud-based platform, streamlining product development and manufacturing cycles to increase productivity and profitability. A robust toolset of design capabilities allows you to create intricate parametric 3D models and assemblies with ease, allowing for quick design iterations, saving valuable time and effort. These design tools aid downstream manufacturing processes as well, where fixturing, machining setups, and documentation are needed for final production. Machining is an important step in manufacturing. A range of CAM features, powerful levels of automation, and efficient toolpath strategies ensure that your 3, 4, and 5-axis machining centers, along with lathes and turn mills, are programmed with optimized machining operations. Simulation capabilities allow for a digital twin to verify your process, giving you increased peace of mind and ensuring your equipment is running safely and effectively. No matter if you're 3D printing prototypes or production components, additive manufacturing tools aid in build preparation, with automatic orientation, packing, and support structures. Simulation verifies the process, giving confidence in a successful build. With integrations to various 3D printers, workflows are simplified, allowing for seamless transition from design to production. Nesting capabilities contribute to cost savings and increased efficiency during fabrication processes. By optimizing the arrangement of parts on sheet or stock material usage is maximized, and manufacturing waste is minimized, leading to reduced material costs and improved productivity. Fusion's value lies in its ability to streamline the entire manufacturing process, from design to production, making it an invaluable tool for professionals in the industry, helping them save time, reduce costs, and enhance their overall productivity and make anything.